Good morning, and how the devil are you? Great to see you there. Welcome back to another video. Today, I am wanting to do a quick taste test and review of my Apricot Sherry that I made a while back. I know it's still early on in the process of the wine being made and maturing. I'm going to lay the rest down for another 6 months and wait, it's going to be awesome when I get around to drinking it later on down the track. But I want to have a quick taste now to see where I can improve it for my next sherry. And for my next sherry, I'm thinking of making a rosehip sherry, because apparently that is divine. So, will you join me for a glass of Apricot Sherry, homemade sherry? Wow, that is divine. That is peaty, that is... Oh, it just has this oaky, aged aroma to it, and it bounces off your nose. It bounces off your nose hairs so well. I can't wait to pour a glass. To be honest, I had a bottle last night, and my wife Dee really wants more of this. She wants me to make a bigger batch. So I will be, because it's so easy to make. All it is some tinned peaches or apricots, and well, the recipe is up above, so follow along and see what you think. So time to do the pour. I love that noise. The clarity is awesome. There's a slight pale hue to it, but it's clear, it's bright, it's sparkly, it's clean and fresh looking. So cheers to you. As I said, there's this aroma of oaky and aged oxidizedness, which bounces off your nose so well. You know you're drinking something different from a standard wine. And you are. It's a sherry. It's been fermented and then under an empty airlock so that oxygen can merge with all the liquid and become fantastic. And it is. Anyway, taste test. That is so good. It's sweet. It's a sweet sherry, but creamy with it. That creaminess carries the sweetness so well. It's like licking a Labrador's fur. It's smooth, it's soft on the tongue, it just rolls down, but there's this bite to it, this unusual texture that just sits on the tongue, and you just want to lick that Labrador again and again and have another glass. But not the Labrador's bottom or testicles, no, but the proper sleek fur of the Labrador. And it's so moorish as well, it just rolls down off the tongue. It's strong, it's potent. Dee wanted a glass after a glass, and then she complained how strong it was. So 3 glasses, and that was her done for the night. She had a hangover the following morning, so be warned, it is potent. And the apricot, the peachiness of the tinned fruit really carry the base undertone notes so fantastically well. When I was a student, I discovered this by mistake because I made some tinned fruit wine, some apricot tinned fruit, and I let my airlock go dry. That's before I discovered that if you put glycerin into your airlock, it doesn't evaporate. You can see more about what I put into my airlocks to prevent accidents in this video up by here, so go check it out sometime. But anyway, I discovered this by accident at a 5-gallon batch, and boy was I happy with the end result. Sometimes you have to make a mistake to find something perfect, and that's what happened with me when I was a student. Didn't want to throw it out because I was poor. Still am poor. So I thought I would drink it anyway, and I had 1 glass, and I was like, wow, what is that stuff? And then I did some research, some reading. Never mind academic books, but homebrew books, and I discovered I had made sherry, and this is the end result, and it's something I made every year. So moving forward with the rosehip sherry that I'm going to be making, because it's rosehip season, go out and pick some. Pick them now whilst they are still bright red and before they turn mushy, and put them in the freezer, because there's going to be quite a few rosehip recipes coming up, so stay tuned for those as well. Anyway, rosehip sherry is going to be awesome. So my overall opinion of the Apricot Sherry is make it. Make it now. Lay it down for a year. If this is going to improve with age, it's going to become better, and it's going to become even more like licking a Labrador's coat on the tongue. Brilliant. You don't fault it. So go give it a try. So now I'm going to go and share this bottle with the missus and see what she thinks about having more. Fantastic. So stay tuned for the next video, and you have fun now. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.